Welcome to our channel. Today's story is a magical adventure called The Cloud Painter. Sit back, relax, and imagine a world where clouds are painted before they enter the sky. Let's begin! The Cloud Painter, high above the world, far beyond mountains and tall buildings, there was a hidden workshop in the sky where the clouds were created. Inside this floating workshop lived a quiet, gentle boy named Evan, the world's only cloud painter. Every morning before sunrise, Evan would wake up, stretch his arms, and pick up his magical paintbrush. His job was simple but very special. He painted the clouds before they drifted into the sky. Some clouds he painted white and fluffy for calm days. Some clouds he colored gray and heavy for rainy days. And sometimes he even painted pink and gold for beautiful sunsets. Evan loved his job, but he always dreamed of creating something no cloud painter had ever made: a rainbow cloud. But there was one rule in the sky workshop. Never mix too many colors. The sky must stay balanced. One day, while Evan was painting, he noticed a tiny lonely cloud hiding in a corner. It was small, sad, and almost invisible. Evan whispered, "Poor little cloud, you need something special." He dipped his brush into all his paint pots: red, blue, green, yellow, and gently brushed the little cloud. The cloud began to shine, then glow, then sparkle. It became a rainbow cloud, swirling with beautiful colors that danced like magic. Evan smiled proudly, but suddenly, the entire workshop began to shake. The other clouds began absorbing the rainbow colors and started glowing too brightly. Some turned purple, others turned bright orange, and the sky outside became wild and chaotic. "Oh no, I broke the rule," Evan whispered. The sky guardian, a giant cloud spirit, appeared with a booming voice. "Evan, why did you break the balance?" Evan looked down but then gathered courage. "I only wanted that little cloud to feel special." The sky guardian stared at Evan for a moment, then smiled. "You did not harm the sky. You brought it beauty." With one wave of his hand, the sky settled. He looked at the rainbow cloud floating gently beside Evan. "From now on," the guardian said, "you will paint one rainbow cloud every evening to remind the world that even the smallest things deserve magic." Evan's heart filled with joy. And that's why, on some evenings, the sky glows with mysterious colors, because the cloud painter paints his magical rainbow cloud for the world to see. If you like this story, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more magical stories. See you in the next adventure.